You see this big rock? This is not placed by anyone. It has come out of the surface. This is a part of the rock cycle. The rock cycle has many stages. One is weathering. In the weathering, these bigger rocks are broken into pieces by different agents like water, temperature, wind, and also some ice in other countries. So there will be a small crack in the rock, and that will slowly develop into a bigger crack, and the rock will split into two parts, just like here. This is a very big crack, and this is due to the temperature effect, and that rock is again broken into bigger piece. So this way some roots or plants will grow in between the cracks, and they will make the crack even bigger, and slowly the rock will break into smaller pieces. The effect of the water you can see on the black spot. The rainwater and other factors are slowly eroding the surface of the rock. So this is how the rock is broken into pieces by the roots of a plant. This takes a lot of time, but this is what happens. And once the rock is broken, they get some reaction with the oxygen or the water, and then they'll change their form, and their chemical composition also will change, and sometimes they break into pieces, and then smaller particles, and that are converted into sand or fine particles, and then again go through the rock cycle. You see this particular place is reacting with the water, and it has changed the color. And this is also because of the human intervention. Someone had made some holes using a drill machine to crack this rock. So this is how the weathering process takes place.